This is the only question that matters. Why me versus why not me? And I'm going to explain the difference to you. This is confidence hack number 25 of 365 throughout the year. If you want this confidence boost to come directly to your email, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free, and start your day off on the right confident foot. There are only two types of people: people who say, why me? Why should I have a great life? Why should I be successful? And those who say, why not me? Someone has to do it. Why not me? Why not you? Think about that. The action archetype, which I refer to in my book, Do It, The Life-Changing Power of Taking Action, is known as the underestimator. The why not me mentality is a synonym for self-sabotage. Why do humans self-sabotage and count themselves out before they even get going? Well, I'll tell you how. When you live in the mental state of self-sabotage, the why me mentality, there is something from your past that has created this type of feeling. Were you told you weren't good enough by your high school basketball team? Were you told you weren't pretty enough by a boyfriend or girlfriend? Were you not fill in the blank enough? But here's what it all comes down to. Do you have the confidence to take a step without knowing where it will land and believing in yourself along the way? According to a study done by the U.S. Census Bureau, 72% of American adults either never moved out of the city they grew up in or they live very close by. They likely underestimated their ability to make it if they left the comfort of the only confines they've ever known. These are the why me people, the underestimators. But on the encouraging flip side, 80% of millionaires in America are first generation millionaires. People like to say the excuse of, oh, he inherited it. He got it, had it easy, trust fund. But no, 80% of millionaires are first generation millionaires. These are the why not me mentality. Remember this: before you can make it to the top, people will constantly ask you, why are you working so dang hard at what you're doing? You'll never make it. But once you make it, everyone will tell you, oh, wow, didn't you get so lucky? The cards were stacked in your favor. All you can do is just smile and say, why not me? There is a lot of confidence to be gained in understanding this very simple but very powerful perspective. You are in one of two camps of thinking, and that is it. There is no in between. You either wake up every morning and you say, why me? Why little old me? Or you say, why not me? And that is the confidence difference maker.